I don't think people understand how much a good groomer can change a dog's life. Let's talk about it. Professional dog grooming isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling great. Imagine your pup strutting out with a shiny coat, trim nails, and a wagging tail. A good groomer knows how to make your dog feel comfortable and relaxed. They use top-notch products and techniques to ensure your pet's well-being. Plus, regular grooming can spot potential health issues early, keeping your furry friend happy and healthy. Don't just settle for any groomer. Ask fellow dog owners, check online reviews, and find someone who truly cares for your pet. Your pup deserves the best, and with the right grooming, their personality will shine even brighter. So, the next time you search dog grooming near me, remember, it's not just a haircut, it's a lifestyle upgrade for your furry friend. Treat them to a professional grooming session and watch them glow.